Welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Mark Cat, or you can call me Cat for short, whichever you like. Today I created this beautiful, simple cut crease. Also, it's such an easy look to create. Hopefully you stick around for the makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to check the descriptions down below on where you can follow me. If you want to stick around and join me on how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. This palette has more of the burgundy tones. As you can see, I already hit pan on this shadow right here. It was more of a bone tone. It was my favorite shade to highlight the brow bone. I'm going to be going in with the middle shade right here. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow for the transition. I'm just going to go ahead and very lightly add that product all over the crease, nice and softly. And this is a perfect transition shade. Next, I'm going to be going in with this soft cranberry eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in just a little bit above the transition shade that I added already. Next, I'm going to be going in with more of a reddish burgundy tone. This eyeshadow is going to be going in between those two eyeshadows that I already added. I just want to go ahead and darken up a little bit on the outer corner, so I'm going to be going in with more of a darker burgundy, and it's this one right here. I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner. I'm making a V shade between the crease and the eyelid. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and grab the darkest shade on the palette, and it's this one right here. Just grabbing a clean brush just to blend out the shades just a little bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the product. I'm not going to blend or anything because I just want it to have a clean cut crease. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap that product, and then at the end of the outer corner I will start to blend out the concealer. And as I get to the outer corner, I'm going to go ahead and clean off that concealer brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just try to tap and blend at the same time with the outer corner shade. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and set that concealer with the translucent powder, and I'm just tapping the product on very softly just because I don't want to lose that cut crease. Once I cut the crease, I'm going to go ahead and grab this metallic shimmer and add that in the outer part of the lid. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger first just so I can add the product onto the lid. And just with the flat clean brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that shimmer inwards, and then the outer corner I'll try to blend that in with the dark eyeshadow. For the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, like a rose gold with the burgundy undertone as well. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that product. Next, to brighten up my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with Morphe 35V. And this is just to highlight the brow bone. For eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty. This is the dual eyeliner. And I'm going to be going with very Vanta, and that's the liquid eyeliner. Once the eyeliner is done, now I'm going to go ahead and remove the tapes. That way I can work on the rest of my face. I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here for the lower lash line. I'm going to be going in from lightest to darkest. Going back with the Huda Beauty Dual Liner, I'm going to be going in with the pencil eyeliner, and this is the Life Liner. I'm going to go ahead and add the eyelashes, and for today's lashes, I'm going to be going in with LILLY lashes, and these are in style Miami. Officially done with the eyes. I went ahead and added some eyeliner and the lashes, of course. I am so happy how the eye turned out, so I'm gonna go ahead and move to the rest of the face. For contouring, I'm gonna be going in with the Cheekleader Bronze Squad from Benefit, and I'm gonna be mixing Hoola with the Hoola Caramel for the contour. Blush, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. I'm currently obsessed with the ginger and nectarine mixed together. For highlight, I'm going to be going in with Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and this one is in Trophy Wife. Lips, I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Lip Kit, and here that comes with a liquid matte lipstick, lip pencil, and the lip strobe. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. If you just want a matte look, I feel like the look is now done and complete. But if you want to go a little extra, maybe for the night, you can add some lip gloss on top of that matte lip or the lip strobe. Well, this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Hopefully you fell in love with this look as much as I did. I really did love how it came out. I think this is just a really beautiful, clean look. Hopefully you found this look to be easy, and hopefully you guys can create it as well. Thank you so much for watching. This is Beauty Mark. Until next time.